So you guys are welcome to this particular video. I'm introducing us to HTML. That is how we are going to be starting the front-end web development, right? So the first thing we want to learn whenever we want to learn how to build websites and so on and so forth, the first thing we're going to learn is HTML. And before we talk about HTML, we'll be needing a particular software, and that is where you're seeing my screen right now. I just went on Google and I searched for VS Code, right? So what exactly is VS Code? So VS Code is an example of a text editor. We have other types of text editors as well. We have Sublime Text Editor, we have Notepad, we have Atom, and so many stuff. But I think VS Code is one of the most popular text editors that we have out there. So just go on Google, search for VS Code, you see stuff like this. You probably click on the first one, or let me click on this download instead, right? So if you click on the download, it takes you to the download page, and of course I'm on a Mac machine, right? So if you're on a Mac, you download that of Mac. If you're on a Windows machine, you download that of Windows, and you just basically install this software, right? So I've gone ahead, I've installed mine, I've downloaded it, I've installed it. Actually, I have it like ever since, right? But if you don't have VS Code, you want to install it, because that's what I'll be using throughout this particular course, and I want you guys to be using probably the same software too as well, right? So we want to go ahead and install your VS Code. So if you install your VS Code, or you already have VS Code, for those of you that don't have VS Code, doesn't matter if you're a Windows machine, a Mac machine like myself, everything practically similar. So I have my VS Code here, and this is what I have, and it's just like this. I just toggle it on, and I guess it's up for us to start browsing, or basically start using this particular stuff to write code, right? And of course, you need to have a browser. For me, I'm using Chrome. I definitely recommend Chrome. So just in case you have another browser, like let's say Opera Mini, and what's the other one? The Internet Explorer. Any other browser that you have, I will actually recommend you try to get Chrome browser in your system. So that being said, that's all the software that we need: a text editor, VS Code, a browser, Chrome, and we're ready to basically get started to start writing our first piece of code, which is going to be HTML. So in the next video, we'll be starting the HTML for real. See you guys in the next video.